Hello everyone, it's me Lisa. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to put promo cards in Clash of Clans. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if Supercell, the developer of Clash of Clans, has introduced a promo code system, then here's a quick guide on how you can do so. So first thing, you need to find a promo code. Look for promo codes, choose the official Clash of Clans social media accounts or some promo codes you're going to receive from giveaways as well. Secondly, you can launch the Clash of Clans account. For this, you need to make sure that your phone has an active Clash of Clans account. And what you want to do is access the settings menu. You need to navigate to the settings menu within the game. This is typically presented by a gear icon in the game. So after that step, what you need to do is look for a redemption section. If Supercell has implemented a promo code system, then there should be a option for redeeming the codes. Right now, there is no any way of redeeming codes in Supercell of Clash of Clans. So if Supercell in the future does this, then this you need to look for this section. After that, you can enter the promo code and tap on ready to go to enter the promo code in. After that, what you want to do is you want to confirm. After clicking on confirm, your promo card will be checked, and if your promo card is still viable, then it will give you the rewards as mentioned. So you can enjoy rewards now, but you also have to remember that promo cards may expire and have limited usage, and also that in Clash of Clans right now there is no active system of redeeming these comments, but in the future it may be available. So this is a quick and easy tutorial on how to do it. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, then please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye, guys.